Hey, what's up you guys? Installing a trailer hitch on your Jeep Grand Cherokee can take you to some really cool places, like camping, biking, or even towing a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Let's go ahead and break down that install.
You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation.
To start off our install, we need to remove these two bolts on the inside of our driver's side frame. We're going to be using a 21mm socket. Now, the trunk pan kind of gets in the way of getting an impact wrench in there, so we're going to need to use a swivel socket to be able to fit it around our bolt. Let's go ahead and take that off. And we'll repeat on the other side. Now we're ready to bring our hitch into place. We're going to be using our U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have a hitch jack, we do recommend that you get an extra set of hands as this hitch is pretty heavy. Now that everything's lined up, we're going to use those same bolts we removed to install our hitch. And we'll repeat on the other side. So now we're going to tighten and torque all of our bolts to the manufacturer specification. We're going to be using an impact wrench at the lowest setting just to snug them all up and help save us some time. And that way we don't over torque it by hitting it with the gun. And then we're going to use our torque wrench to finish off all the torquing on it. Now, if you need the specs for all the torquing on the bolts, you can find it in the description on our video. And we're going to be using a 21mm socket as we have in all the other steps. With our hitch installed, we pulled our vehicle down onto level ground to show you some important measurements for your hitch accessories. This is a 2-inch receiver. From the pinhole to the end of the bumper is 3.5 inches, and from the ground to the top of the receiver is 15.5 inches. This will help you determine the length, rise, and drop for your hitch accessories, such as a bike rack and cargo carrier. So that wraps up our install. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this product, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch Professional, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch Center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.